Restoring a 1954 Chevy Bel Air is a journey through automotive history, beginning with a careful assessment of the car's original state. The process starts by documenting every detail, from faded paint to worn upholstery, ensuring that every element is preserved for reference. Disassembly follows, with each chrome trim, headlight bezel, and body panel gently removed and labeled. The engine is delicately lifted from the bay, transmission and suspension disassembled, and the frame separated from the body. With the car stripped to its bones, attention turns to repairing rusted panels and straightening the chassis. The body is sandblasted, revealing clean metal, then primed and painted in the authentic two-tone color scheme. Meanwhile, the engine is meticulously rebuilt, original components restored or replaced with period-correct parts. Chrome pieces are replated, and the interior is reupholstered using factory patterns and materials. Reassembly is a careful dance. Each bolt and fastener return to its rightful place. Finally, with gleaming paint, polished chrome, and a purring engine, the 1954 Chevy Bel Air is reborn, capturing the spirit and elegance of its era. Every detail, from the dashboard gauges to the classic white wall tires, reflects the car's original glory, as if it just rolled off the assembly line. This is our current restoration project. This project took us several months to complete. What do you think? Did we miss something? Or did we do everything right? Leave a comment and tell us what you think. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Garage Auto Plus, so you won't miss any future restoration projects. We'll be posting various restoration projects on YouTube. Thanks.